Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, like you saw on the description, I'm gonna be showing you this mini haul that I did because I'm like a child. When they see something, they want something. So yeah, basically that's why I did this mini haul. So if you wanna see and know where I got this goodie, please keep on watching. So like I said earlier, I'm like a child, I'm like a kid. I saw a Pokeball, I think it's called, online, and I was like, I never had that before. It looks yummy. So I'll place an order. I'm gonna be starting with the Pokeball stuff that I got. Cause I have some stuff already, and I was missing a few things, so that's why I did this mini haul. First I got this soy sauce. I know, soy sauce is not as good for you, but I have the liquid aminos and I don't like it, so that's why I bought this baby over here. Oh, this is from Aldi's. Most of this is from Aldi's, and only two things are from Amazon. I'm gonna let you know, guys, what things are from Amazon, but everything else is from Aldi. The other thing that I didn't have for the Pokeball, it was tuna. I never buy tuna like this. I always buy it on a can. I know it's not healthy, but I like it like that, so whatever. This baby over here, because I ran out of ghee today. So yeah, I bought this. All these two. Nothing fancy, just clarified butter for cooking. The Famously bread, finally, they have it like regularly at the store, so I don't have to be like on the hunt. So I bought two. One for using it in the few days, and the other one I'm gonna put it on the freezer. I don't want to go bad. This baby over here, I did had a code. That's why I got this baby. I have a discount code for Aldi's. They provided me with that. So, hey, if I'm going to use it, I'm going to use it on something that I really, really want. So, these babies, I got it like after the discount, like for $8. So, hey, $8. Pound and a half of crab legs. Don't mind if I do. Ricotta cheese. I know the last haul I did bought a ricotta, but I'm gonna do lasagna this week, so I'm gonna be needing more. So that's why I got this baby over here. Cream cheese, a staple for keto and low carb recipes. I'm running out. I'm on the last pack, so stock of cream cheese. That way I don't have to worry about it. Sorry for my phone. This is also for the keto bowl. This green onions. These next two things I got it at Amazon. God, people, I'm working. So, like I was saying, these two things I bought it at Amazon. I'm gonna link down below the links of these two things. I'd already tried them. Oh God, this is good. If you're thinking it's gonna taste like the true really, really moist lemon cake, don't waste your time and money. It tastes like lemon. It's not crazy citrus like the regular cakes. Like I said, it's good. It does the work for me, at least when I'm craving something sweet. I bought the box, but it's upstairs. I have only few here in downstairs because I'm mostly upstairs in my office, so that's why everything is upstairs. Really, really good. Decent ingredients. As well as macros. Can you oh, if I my bad. Are the macros. Not bad. It could be better, but hey, at least doesn't have any added sugar, so that's a plus for me. If I'm gonna do sugar, that I avoid at all costs. But if I'm gonna do sugar, I don't do the added sugar as much. So for me, this is perfect. And also, God, I was skeptic on the flavor, this exact flavor. I know they are good because I tried the cheddar, I tried the ranch, and I tried the lemon pepper. I think it was that wasn't the that was the least favorite of mine. The lemon pepper, I think is the name. But this one, I have tried a lot of chips brand that are keto friendly, and this one, this sour cream and onion, to me it tastes better than the actual sour cream and onion, like Pringles, Lay's. This has more flavor to it. Really good ingredient, only 4 net carbs. You cannot ask for anything better. Because I know I talk about the Siete chips a lot, but those are a little bit high on carbs. So that's a shame because I really love the lime ones. But this one is almost up there with the Siete chips. If they can only do the lemon ones, taste as same as the Siete chips, oh, forget about the Siete chips. Because this good, decent ingredients, decent macros. And also, like I said, Amazon shopping, I think it's called right now. So yeah, this is my mini haul for this week, guys. Thank you for watching. Let me know down in the comment if you like this mini haul or if you prefer more the bigger ones with a lot of products. Let me know down in the comments. And remember, sharing is caring. And don't forget, be kind to yourself. See you next time. Bye-bye.